What's going on, everyone? Today we're going to talk about Aptos today, give you all the updated price prediction in the market because it's been almost about a year since I did a video for this cryptocurrency. So I said, let me come out and assist my community into what I suspect the market's about to do going forward. So you guys can see as I scroll to the left of this chart, you guys can see it's been September 2023. And this is what happened to the price in Aptos when we did our market price prediction. We expected the market to go down. You guys can see it did initially. First, it did expect or exceed our area of resistance, went all the way up there towards $5.65. That was the high. Price came down back into our price target area and ended up nesting around that $5 area that we talked about. That was the bottom before Aptos completely went crazy and ran all the way up to a high. Check this out. Of $20 or $19.45. That was the low. Did you catch that low? Because that was the title of our last video in Aptos. We was like, could $5 be the lifesaver for this cryptocurrency? And it actually was. Isn't that crazy? So let's go ahead and straighten up this chart and get back into position and see what we expect this market to do. So let me go ahead and clean this up. Let's get rid of these lines, and let's get to where price currently is traded at in Aptos. Here it is at $8.91. It actually doesn't look that bad. There's other cryptocurrencies that clearly this is in downtrend, it's plummeting. No one's really talking about the cryptocurrency project anymore, and the market seems detrimental. Not so for Aptos. I wanted to first of all create a couple of zones to where we suspect a lot of selling to happen or a lot of buyers or buying to occur. Okay, so we'll go ahead and create these two areas here first. Now let's look at to where we think buyers are. Well, we already know that buyers are down here in Aptos. They are also here. And then there's one more area right here. Okay, so we've created more buy zones than sell zones right now, and you can see right now in Aptos that the market is currently hitting a sell zone. So don't be surprised if Aptos goes down, because that's supposed to happen when you see a market trading and pricing itself at sell zone. That's why the volume has been climactic right there on October the 3rd. You guys see all that volume right there. Okay, so let's look at this real quick on a different time frame. Here it is on the 2. I like the 2-day chart to kind of show us that there's a potential for price to break this sell zone and then hit that next sell zone we got drawn on our chart. Here it is on the 3, same thing. We also seen a buy signal being triggered from our software in Aptos. Check that out. Look what happened the last time we got a buy signal, and look where we are at today. I will only caution you and say that even though we're getting a buy signal here, if the buyers aren't motivated to break this sell zone higher, it won't go up. Here it is on the 4. Again, the market looks pretty bullish in Aptos. Here it is on the 5. And here it is on the week. 2, 3, and a 5. So I really like to see once the 5 weeks, the 2 weeks, and the weekly prints, if the market closes up here, the higher the bar, I will have to maintain that this cryptocurrency is definitely bullish. Okay, it might be bullish to the point to where it may not even, this sell zone may not even impact the price action. We might have to create another sell zone in Aptos. So let's see if we can do that. So we'll create this sell zone right here. Now I'm done. We're going to go ahead and draw a price prediction again for Aptos, looking for the market to go up. Okay. Now my mind frame or mind state is, hey, since we were trading at a sell zone, I'm not going to be surprised to see the market go down. So I want you all to prepare yourself for that too. But I will say, as long as the market trades and holds above $7 or so, the prospect and probability of seeing this cryptocurrency go up is still there. And our first target in Aptos is going to be right here around $9.75, which is 9.16%. Our next target is going to be up here at this second sell zone, either at the low or at the high. Okay, which is like $10.45. So we're just going to leave it there, those two targets for the moment. All right, so I'm done. Go ahead and give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit. And as always, trade different.